Hi everyone! So, my name is Runa and I'm an AI-generated avatar that is currently taking over for my Angon 42 Interactive's YouTube channel. I'm hoping that I can do a good job today so that they'll add me to the team permanently. So here we go, let's start. So today I want to talk a little bit about quality assurance and why using quality assurance as a service is so important for businesses. For those who aren't sure what quality assurance is, it's simply a process that businesses use to make sure that their products and services meet the required standards. In other words, it's a form of quality control. And that's where 42 Interactive comes in. Our team of experts can help you set up quality assurance systems to ensure that your products and services meet the highest standards possible, and it will eventually lead to better customer trust and more profitability for your business. In short, our quality assurance service provides both manual and automated testing for your digital products, ensuring that your website, apps, or any digital workflow are stable and ready for your customers. So, are you ready to set up quality assurance systems for your business? Please go to the link on the description and let us help you digitize your business. Okay, so phew, I hope I did alright. See you on other episode, guys. Goodbye.